Hello, this is Errol, and today I'll be showing you the property 9981 Indigo Bay Circle in Orlando, Florida. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom house. It has a screened-in porch, a 2-car garage, and it's in a gated community. Hopefully you like it. Let's take a look. When we first step in, we are in your formal dining room and living room. Here is your kitchen with granite countertops, an island. You have a pantry over here on this side. Plenty of cabinet space. And here is your family room. Through that door is your 2-car garage. You have your laundry room with a sink over here. Here's your half bath. Master bedroom. We have 2 closets here in the master bedroom. Stand-up shower, tub combo. We have 2 sinks here. The master bedroom does have access to the screened-in patio, which is just right over here as well on this side. So you can get in through the master bedroom and through the family room. And then over here we have the door to the outside patio. We'll head upstairs to the 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and it also has a loft. Could be used for an office, a great space for another living area or kids' play area. Here's bedroom number 1 upstairs. Guest bathroom with linen closet right behind the door. Guest bedroom number 2. And guest bedroom number 3. Well, hopefully you like this video. Again, this is 9981 Indigo Bay Circle in Orlando, Florida. Have a good day.